Guten Tag. Welcome to another simple German conversation designed perfectly for beginners. Today, you'll learn how to talk about your family using everyday vocabulary and natural dialogue. At the end of the video, we'll summarize the useful words and phrases you learned. Let's get started.
Hallo Jonas, wie geht's dir? Hello Jonas, how are you?
Hallo Amina, mir geht es gut, danke. Und dir? Hello Amina, I'm good, thank you. And you?
Auch gut, danke. Also good, thanks. Übrigens, Jonas, hast du Geschwister? By the way, Jonas, do you have any siblings?
Ja, ich habe eine Schwester. Sie heißt Mia. Yes, I have a sister. Her name is Mia.
Wie alt ist sie? How old is she?
Sie ist 17 Jahre alt. She is 17 years old.
Super, versteht ihr euch gut? Great, do you get along well?
Ja, meistens. Und du? Yes, mostly. And you?
Ich habe 2 Brüder. I have 2 brothers.
Wie heißen sie? What are their names?
Sie heißen Bilal und Samir. Their names are Bilal and Samir.
Wie alt sind sie? How old are they?
Bilal ist 20, Samir ist 18. Bilal is 20, Samir is 18.
Sind sie nett? Are they nice?
Ja, aber manchmal ärgern sie mich. Yes, but sometimes they annoy me.
Typisch Brüder. Typical brothers.
Ja, genau. Yes, exactly.
Wie ist deine Mutter? What is your mother like?
Sie ist nett und sie ist Lehrerin. She is nice and she is a teacher.
Und dein Vater? And your father?
Er ist Ingenieur. Er liebt Fußball. He is an engineer. He loves football.
Cool. Meine Mutter ist Ärztin. Cool. My mother is a doctor.
Oh, interessant. Und dein Vater? Oh, interesting. And your father?
Er ist Koch. Er kocht gut. He is a chef. He cooks well.
Lecker. Ich liebe Essen. Yummy. I love food.
Du musst bei uns essen. You must eat in our place.
Ja, gerne. Danke. Yes, gladly. Thanks.
Familie ist wichtig, oder? Family is important, right?
Ja, sehr wichtig. Yes, very important.
Ich will mehr über deine Familie wissen. I want to know more about your family.
Ich auch über deine. Me too about yours.
Bis bald, Amina. See you soon, Amina.
Bis bald, Jonas. See you soon, Jonas.
Great job! You just got through a simple German conversation. Now, let's take a look at some of the key words and phrases that appeared in the dialogue. Ready? Let's go. Family-related nouns.
Die Schwester.
Sister.
Der Bruder.
Brother.
Die Mutter.
Mother.
Der Vater.
Father.
Die Familie.
Family. Occupations.
Die Lehrerin.
Female teacher.
Der Lehrer.
Male teacher.
Die Ärztin.
Female doctor.
Der Arzt.
Male doctor.
Der Ingenieur.
Male engineer.
Die Ingenieurin.
Female engineer.
Der Koch.
Male chef.
Die Köchin.
Female chef. Verbs.
Gehen.
To go.
Sein.
To be.
Haben.
To have.
Heißen.
To be called.
Ärgern.
To annoy.
Verstehen.
To get along.
Lieben.
To love.
Wissen.
To know.
Kochen.
To cook. Well done! You've just picked up some super useful German words and phrases for talking about your family. Watch the video multiple times to really get comfortable with the vocabulary. We post new videos every day, so be sure to tune in daily. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, Guten Tag.